DC Canada Education proudly presents the Smarty Bears game series. Today we are going to show you how to play Sport Match. This is one of 4 games from the Wisdom of Children series. These games teach logical thinking, reasoning, and problem solving in a fun and easy way. Let's begin. Sport Match is a game about logic and spatial orientation. Inside the box there are 24 game cards, 9 Smarty Bears, a color die, a multi-language introduction booklet, and an answer key. These are the game cards, which are numbered 1 to 24. Number 1 is the easiest, and as you go higher in the cards, the games get more challenging. This is the game board. You'll be putting the bears on the grid to show which sport the bears are going to play. The idea is to put the bear on the right color in the right place. Let's start with game number 1. You can see there are already bears on the grid as hints to help us solve the puzzle. To the left we can see more clues. We see the green bear is parachuting, so this tells us that we can place 1 green bear on the game board where there is a parachute. Here we see the green bear has a star in the shirt. We need to check what this symbol means. So if you look at the rules, you will see that the star means all bears of the same color are playing the same sport. Stars on the blue bear mean that all blue bears will be driving, and a star on the red bear means they will all be sailing. Let's prepare the game board. First, you can copy what you see in the game card over to the game board. That's easy to begin with. Now we're ready to begin. Let's start by rolling the die. It rolled green, so if I have a green bear, where should I place it? Since we know that all the green bears are parachuting because the green bear has a star on it, it should go here or here. Let's put it here. Time to roll the die again. It landed on red. Remember that all the red bears are sailing, so if you have a red bear, we can place it here. If you roll a color and the bears you have left are not of that color, then it's the next player's turn. If at any point a player puts a bear in a spot that you think is incorrect, double check the hints on the game card and discuss what you think is the wrong place. If you both decide it shouldn't be there, that player misses a turn. Let's look at some of the other rules. If a bear has an X, then that means the bear of this color cannot be playing the sport shown in the picture. This means the bears of this color are side by side in a row on the grid. This means that the bear of these colors cannot be placed side by side in a row on the grid. This means that the bears of these colors have to be in a diagonal on the grid. Well, that's it. Each player gets a turn until the board is completely filled in. Then at the end you can check to see if you played it right by looking at the answer key. So get some friends, put on your logic caps, and enjoy the game of Sport Match.